Lemmings are famous for supposedly throwing themselves off cliffs in mass suicides. But is that really true? The answer is no. This myth exploded in the 1950s, when a Disney documentary staged lemmings jumping off a cliff for dramatic effect. In reality, lemmings don't commit suicide. What happens is that their populations boom and bust naturally. During booms, they migrate in huge groups to find food, and sometimes they accidentally drown while crossing rivers or lakes. But that's migration gone wrong, not suicide. The whole lemmings jumping off cliffs idea is completely man-made. So no, lemmings don't commit mass suicide. They were victims of staged footage. If this shocked you, hit like and share it.